Yeah. Today I'm installing the tailgate assist. This piece is hydraulic. It's like a shock, hydraulic shock. It's just like you do the same thing as shocks do. I'm gonna install this in there. I just got tired. Tried to lower my tailgate and it slammed right down. This thing is kind of have a little weight to it. So I got an idea. I see a lot of people using this and it work for them. And that's what I want to do. Install this bad boy in place. You really don't need much. What you need is Allen key, two size, I think size 4 and 5, and a 10mm wrench and 13mm socket. Okay, the first thing you gotta do, you have to disconnect this here, and this nut is gonna go right here in this hole. I'm gonna stay in there. Don't worry. Watch this video. Now, I'm gonna disconnect this cable first. Some people just go after it, start loosening that bolt, but I'm gonna disconnect it because it's so easy to do. If a caveman can do it. Look, you face this cable upper way, usually like this. Okay, now you want it vertical. Okay, watch this. Lift it a little bit, turn it vertical. It's off, just like that. Now you can work on this guy. Check it off. You take it off, you put it aside because you're gonna need it back. Now, here's the next project. Now, this is the time you're gonna need this. Stick it in there in that hole. That's how it's gonna go. First thing first, you get this bracket here. You see that opening here, the cut, the seat, and this nut. This will go out in the outside, just like this. Okay, line it up with the hole. Alright, then take this screw, the nut or bolt, you can call it nut or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, that's how it's gonna go. But first thing first, you're gonna put this nut first, the bolt. The way it works is, this is the time you're gonna need that 10mm for this bolt, that nut right there, and then number 5 Allen key for this front nut, just like that. You got Allen key like that, and you get this 10mm wrench to tighten that nut. Keep tightening it. All this, you hold the Allen key in one hand, you tighten that nut in another. Keep tightening it to this nut. It's gonna be really tight and secure that it ain't gonna move no more. That's how you know. I'm gonna do that, then I'll show you. Keep on tightening it. And when you tighten, you feel like it's really tight, and then you just loosen this top off. Take it off. and the other piece is stay in there as I work. Then you're gonna need this Allen key screw and this piece. Now we're gonna use that and put this in. Start by hand first because it goes smooth. Get the small Allen key, number 4. Before you tighten it, make sure you line up the gap. That way you don't have that much gap. Even it up. Once you got that in, you're gonna get this piece and the screw that you took off earlier. Put it together and screw it in place. Make sure this is stay vertical because it might move on you when you start tightening it. And I'm gonna get it tight. Now I got it tight. I got the bracket here. I got the bottom bracket there. Now it's time to use this cylinder I call shocks. It's just like a shock. Okay. Can't go wrong. Just put it in there. Alright, all you gotta do, push this in, the same thing in the bottom. And then the best way to put this in place, don't bang it or smack it with a hammer or anything like that. You have a pin, I hope you can see it, let the camera focus. You have a pin, metal pin, right there, you see, right by the ball. Let me put it down. Here's how the pin look like. And it's located right here. It's located right there. That came from there, and this is another pin right there. You turn it around. That's the one that lock it in place. Okay, you lock it in place. So all you gotta do, push it back this way. See? You turn it, it come off and it fall right off. Don't lose it. When you put it in, you put this in here, you put the pin back just the way it came. Okay? Just like that. And that's one side, it's in. The pin also is in place. So it's locked now. In place. Now I gotta do the bottom. Now I also have the bottom piece in. And the pin is in place. So that's it. That's how you do. That's how you do it. Now I'm gonna close it and see how it works. Now you see how she's gonna help. Just gonna drop it. Let's see. Ooh, by itself. I'm gonna do it again. Watch. Open it. Let it go. Wow. Bang. That is a smooth. No more slamming. Alright. That's how you do it. I just put the new tailgate assist. It's beautiful. Huh? Oh, no hands. Look at that. No hands. Alright, subscribe. And if you think you like this, hit the like button. So, I'll see you in the next video. Yeah.